Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 14. Neither agency nor actions does the Lord create for the world, nor union with the fruits of actions, but it is nature that acts.
Chapter 5, Shloka 14. न कर्तृत्वं न कर्माणि लोकस्य सृजति प्रभुः न कर्मफलसंयोगं स्वभावस्तु प्रवर्तते.
Chapter 5, Shloka 14. To make the attitude of the sannyasi clear, Lord explains that the realm of matter is absolutely separate from the spirit. In the world, we see actions taking place, claims of agency for doing actions, and actions being connected with fruits. Lord makes it very clear that He neither created the agency nor the actions for the world, nor the union with the fruits of actions. If anybody thinks so, then it is the deluded ego's wrong notion which he is carrying that makes him do so, and is the cause of all suffering. Hence, it is important to correctly understand the relationship of the spirit with matter. That actually there is no relationship. For the new initiates, this is called as contactless contact, to ease the understanding. This is understood through an example. When I look in a bucket of water and find my nose moving up and down as if fixed on some hinges, due to the movement of the water, even while I am seeing the nose moving in the water, I know my nose is fixed above the lips and below the eyes. Even it is appearing to be moving in the water. What is the relationship between the nose that is moving on the water and the one fixed on my face? It can best be described as contactless contact. Because even if there is no contact between what is real and what I see moving in the water, yet, but for the real one on my face, I would not see the one moving in the water. More in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. see this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.